Ever wonder how significantly robots have infiltrated our daily lives? It's a fascinating journey to ponder. The story of robotics began with simple automated machines designed to perform repetitive tasks that were either too mundane or too dangerous for humans. These machines, once seen as novelties, gradually transformed into essential tools in industries like manufacturing and healthcare. In the world of manufacturing, robots started out as giant mechanical arms, tirelessly assembling cars and electronics with precision and consistency. Over time, these industrial robots became smaller, smarter, and more versatile. Today, they work side by side with humans, assisting in complex tasks and even learning from their human counterparts. Meanwhile, in healthcare, robots have gone from being mere tools to becoming partners in care. Surgical robots, guided by skilled human hands, perform delicate operations with unparalleled accuracy. Robots also assist in patient rehabilitation, providing support and motivation for those on the road to recovery. But it's not just in factories or hospitals where you'll find these mechanical marvels. In the creative industry, robots are unleashing a new wave of innovation. From painting murals to composing symphonies, robots are pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible, challenging our very definition of creativity. Underpinning this evolution is the power of artificial intelligence. AI has transformed robots from simple automated machines into intelligent collaborators. Through natural language processing, robots can understand and respond to human speech, making our interactions with them more intuitive and effective. Gesture recognition technology allows robots to interpret human body language, further enhancing our communication with them. From their humble beginnings, robots have come a long way. They're no longer confined to science fiction books or Hollywood movies. They're here, in our factories, our hospitals, our homes, and even our art studios. They're not just tools, but partners, collaborators, and perhaps even friends. Indeed, the robots we once imagined in science fiction have become an integral part of our reality. But would you believe robots can also socialize just like us? In the world of robotics, a fascinating development is underway. The rise of social robots, which are designed to interact with us on an emotional level. These aren't your typical industrial machines, no. These robots are being designed to understand and respond to human emotions, to empathize with us, to engage us in meaningful ways. Imagine an elderly person living alone, their children far away. Loneliness can be a real challenge. But what if a social robot could provide companionship? A robot that could remind them to take their medication, engage in conversation, even recognize when they're feeling down, and play their favorite song to cheer them up. This isn't science fiction, it's happening right now. And it's not just the elderly who can benefit. Social robots are also finding their place in education, serving as interactive aids for children. They can help kids with their homework, teach them a new language, even help children with special needs to develop important social skills. But as we form relationships with these robots, we also need to consider the psychological and societal implications. What happens when a child becomes attached to their robot tutor? Or an elderly person starts to prefer the company of their robot companion to that of a human caregiver? What does it mean to care for a machine, and how does that change our understanding of companionship and emotional attachment? There's also the question of ethics. If a robot can understand and mimic human emotions, does it have feelings? Does it have rights? These are complex questions that we, as a society, need to answer as we step into this new era of social robotics. So it seems robots are not just tools, but can also be our companions. How about sending robots where humans cannot venture? Let's take a moment to appreciate the marvels of robotic technology in extreme environments. Robots are our unsung heroes, braving the harsh conditions of space, the unfathomable depths of the oceans, and the unpredictable chaos of disaster zones. Take, for instance, the Mars rovers. These robotic explorers have been our eyes and ears on the Red Planet, collecting invaluable data and paving the way for potential human exploration. Meanwhile, here on Earth, robotic systems are making strides in disaster recovery. They help us navigate earthquake rubble, locate survivors, and assess structural damage, all while keeping human rescuers safe from harm. In these demanding scenarios, robots not only survive but excel, all thanks to their robust design and advanced AI systems. They can operate autonomously, make split-second decisions, and adapt to unforeseen circumstances, proving their worth in the most challenging of situations. In the face of adversity, robots indeed prove their mettle. Have you seen robots that can walk, run, and navigate complex terrains? The advancements in robotic mobility are simply astounding. Imagine a world where robots could navigate through a forest as easily as we do. That's no longer a distant vision, but a reality we're inching closer to every day. Artificial intelligence is playing a crucial role in this evolution. By integrating AI, robots are learning to adapt to their environments and make decisions in real time. They're moving beyond the rigid, pre-programmed paths of yesteryears and stepping into a future where they can traverse any landscape from city streets to mountainous terrains. This isn't just about making robots more versatile, it's about expanding the possibilities for their applications. Picture rescue robots navigating through disaster zones or exploration robots traversing alien landscapes. Even in our daily lives, from delivery services to elderly care, these advancements could redefine our interactions with robots. Certainly, the future of mobility is robotic. Yet as robots become more autonomous, do we have ethical dilemmas to address? This is a question that is increasingly relevant in today's world, where robots are not just tools but collaborators in our work and personal lives. As we navigate this brave new world of artificial intelligence, we find ourselves grappling with issues of privacy, autonomy, and potential job displacement. With the ability to process vast amounts of data, robots can provide us with insights and solutions that were previously unimaginable. But at what cost? The data they process often includes personal information, raising concerns about privacy and consent. How do we ensure that our data is being used responsibly? And how do we protect ourselves from potential misuse? Autonomy poses another challenge. As robots become more capable of decision-making, we must ask ourselves, who's in control? The moral status of robots is a hotly debated topic. If a robot can think, learn, and even feel, does it deserve rights? And if so, what kind? These questions are not just philosophical but practical, as they will shape the laws and regulations of the future. And then there's the issue of job displacement. As robots become more skilled and versatile, they're able to perform tasks that were once the exclusive domain of humans. This is particularly true in sectors like manufacturing, where automation is increasingly prevalent. While this can lead to increases in productivity and efficiency, it also raises concerns about job loss and economic inequality. How do we balance the benefits of automation with the potential harm to workers? These are not easy questions, and there are no clear-cut answers. But one thing is certain, as the line between human and machine continues to blur, these ethical challenges will only become more pressing. As we coexist with robots, it is crucial to reckon with these ethical quandaries. So, what does the future hold for robotics? Well, imagine a world where robots can assemble and reassemble themselves, inspired by the natural world. This isn't a far-fetched sci-fi movie plot, but rather a probable future of robotic design. Just as a caterpillar metamorphoses into a butterfly, future robots could be designed to transform according to their tasks, environment, or needs. This concept of self-assembling robots, drawing inspiration from biology, could lead to an evolution in the way we approach problem-solving in robotics. But the future of robotics isn't just about mimicking nature. It's also about converging with other fields of technology, such as artificial intelligence and nanotechnology. Picture this: tiny, almost invisible robots powered by advanced AI working in the microscopic realm. These minuscule machines could have a colossal impact on various sectors. In the field of medicine, they could be designed to deliver drugs directly to disease cells, perform microscopic surgeries, or monitor health from within the body. Think of them as your personal health guardians, working tirelessly to keep you healthy. Engineering could see a revolution too. Imagine nanorobots building structures at a molecular level, repairing machinery from the inside, or cleaning up hazardous waste without risking human lives. They could even play a role in developing new materials with properties beyond what we can currently achieve. And let's not forget environmental management. These tiny robots could monitor pollution levels, help in the cleanup of oil spills, or even assist in the fight against climate change by capturing and storing carbon dioxide. The convergence of AI and nanotechnology in robotics could fundamentally shift how we approach these challenges, making solutions more efficient, less invasive, and safer. In the realm of robotics, the possibilities are endless and the future truly exciting.
Dive deeper into the realm of artificial intelligence with AI Knowledge Quest. Keep exploring, stay curious, and remember, The quest for knowledge never ends. Join us again soon.